Okay guys, so I came across this brand called the OULA company while I was at Nordstrom doing some shopping. I was actually going there to buy some summer dresses. I had bought some online, didn't quite work out. When I was in the store kind of returning it, I saw this company. I saw this dress on display and I was just like, oh my gosh, I have to try it on. And like, what name of brand is this? I've never heard of this brand. So yeah, it's called the OULA company. So I'm gonna do a try on short, simple, sweet video today. It's got 2 pieces. So if you wanna see, you have to stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to my channel, Simply Fabulux, where I like to talk about luxury goods, items, a little bit of lifestyle, and try to sprinkle in a bit of tips or advice that I've learned to share with you. Okay, so before we get into today's video, it's gonna be a very short one. I just wanna do like a try on haul of this lovely brand that I kind of discovered at Nordstrom. They just had beautiful dresses. I mean, when I saw them and then kind of tried it on at the store to find out like what size would fit me, I felt like a princess. So before I get into that, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead now, hit that subscription button, hit the like button. It's gonna be a great video today. And then go ahead and hit the notification bell so you can stay informed when I drop a video, because I drop a video every week. All right, okay, now let's get into this try on. Again, this is from, it's called the OULA, if I can zoom that in, company. I have never even heard of this company, but their prints, the color, all of that, again, when I tried it on, I felt like a princess. I did, maybe like a queen, something like that. I just felt regal and royal, and the prints, the colors, yeah, just spoke to me. So I thought I'd do a quick try on haul because I'm gonna keep these in my collection, okay? So yes, and it's for spring, summertime, we're here. That means it's time for spring, summer dresses. Love this time. All right, so yes, let's get into this video right now. Okay, so here is dress number 1. It has this beautiful yellow, green, navy blue print. A little bit of white is in there, which is why I added my white Kelly belt with the gold buckle detail on it. I thought just having this brings out a little bit of the white because it had a lot of yellow in it, and then the gold will kind of bring out the yellow. And I put on some yellow earrings. These are from my Swarovski earrings that I love. I have in different colors. Well, that would be great with this. Or even if you wanted to do something more like a stud or a little bit more minimal, where this is not the statement piece, but like have a statement necklace, which I'll try that on after. I think a great statement necklace will go with this just because of how it opens and shows your décolleté here. But yeah, since I have these as my statement pieces, my earrings, to go with this, I thought I'd do something dainty and nice. A nice little gold heart necklace right there. This would probably be great with a good chunky bracelet as well if you want to do that. I just couldn't find one at the moment, so I just put on my gold Cartier just on clue bangle. But even like my love bracelet, if you want to do like a nice stack, just because you have a lot of real estate on your arms, if you want to add some jewelry, just add a little bit more there. Or you want to be as minimal like this works too. And I just got my white or latte Miss Mini Dior bag to go with this. Now the good thing about this, it does have pockets. I love it. I love this print. Again, I just felt like kind of regal in this print. I feel like I could wear this to, you know, a nice day out, go to brunch, go to church, meet up with some friends, anything like that. I thought this would be a great dress for that. It's really a nice light material. I'm not sure what kind of material it is. I feel like it's cotton, but it does have like some stiffness to it. Maybe because I freshly had it steamed. I'm not sure, but I love it. I love how it has a flare. And I know you cannot tell, but it is like an asymmetrical. So like in the front, although it does like, see if I can stand back as much as I can, cover like my knees. Like it kind of gets longer in the back, so it has this elongated or asymmetrical cut for this dress. Again, I think I got this in a small, and it is still a little bit big, but that's why I wanted the belt. I needed the belt to kind of really cinch the waist. I just couldn't really cinch this belt, even though it's an easily adjustable belt. I was having some issues with it because it's a newer belt, so it still needs to be broken in. But yeah, this is one of the dresses that I'm trying on. Let me know what you guys think. I really love this print. I love, like again, the arms and everything and how it pops. I kind of popped my collar a little bit. I mean, I don't know if people still do that. I know I like to do it sometimes just to give me a little zhuzh. But yes, I thought this was just a beautiful, you know, nice print. Again, I got this from Nordstrom. I had never even heard of this company. It is a Black owned brand. So it is kind of like reminiscent of like, you know, African print that's normally used. And again, it has pockets. I love a dress with pockets that's kind of hidden in there on both sides and doesn't like really take away from the dress or add too much to it. But yeah, this is the outfit, which has like a little step stool so I can like step up and show you what it looks like from head to toe. I'm not a model at all. I'm just gonna hopefully show you the dress. All right, so I will show you dress number 2. Actually, let me show you the other necklace for this that I thought of, that maybe I'll take these earrings off and use another necklace, but let me just show it to you. Give me 1 second. Okay, so here's the necklace that I also thought could go with this. Now, if I'm gonna wear a statement necklace like this, where it's gonna be stand out, I definitely would not wear these earrings. I'll show you, just take them off so you can see them without the earrings. I'd wear some more daintier earrings, like some studs or something, instead, just because these are kind of like statement piece earrings. So either gonna be a statement necklace or statement earrings. That's just my preference. That's what I like. So I'm gonna pick one or the other. I'm still gonna wear earrings, but if I was gonna wear this necklace, which I think goes very well just because of how it opens right here in the front, I definitely, yeah, would wear this, a nice little chunky bangle or something with it, and like still have my bag, so that it brings out the white that's in the dress. It's very subtle, but there is white in this dress, and then with my white belt. So yeah, this is, yeah, what it looks like. And I really do like this with this necklace. It just, again, because your décolleté is kind of open, I feel like it has enough real estate for a nice statement jewelry piece. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, so here is dress number 2. I added my black Kelly belt. Felt like this one might go better than the white one. The white one just like it was just kind of too much, and it really kind of got lost when I had it on. So I thought the black belt would be better. Again, have like a nice little gold statement. Well, not statement, I took the other piece off, but like just a gold chain type of necklace here. Again, you can either wear this with statement earrings or wear this with like a nice pair of studs or something. That's what I'm thinking. And I think I did say, if I didn't already say, might be the 3rd time I'm saying it, but it has pockets. So I do like the pockets in this. Now I will say for this, I'm not the biggest fan of floral, so I'm like not sure if I'm crazy about the print. I have some floral pieces, but it's still growing on me. I like that it's vibrant in color, but I don't know. You tell me, what do you think? Because sometimes it's just better to have a more objective opinion of like, is it too much floral? Is it too much color? I feel like there's never too much color, but I'm not sure. And then one thing I would say about these dresses that I've noticed, trying to just take them on and take them off, is that there's no like zipper detail. You have to like really struggle to put them on. And then like if you have makeup, you try to like dodge so you don't get makeup all on the collar, all inside the dress when it comes to like putting it on or even taking it off. If they have like a zipper detail somewhere on this where you can kind of step into the dress or allow it to be more roomier, because it just gets tight in some areas. Cause I can only put in one, you know, arm at a time, and then I'm trying to put the other arm, that's kind of getting stuck. I'm trying to like squeeze it through. But like the dress fits well, almost kind of fits a little too roomy around here for me. So that's why it's like, I'm struggling to get it on, but then I'm also like, it's a little too big around like the waist area. So that's the only thing. Okay, so this is what I was thinking, just this, either pairing it with like maybe my micro book tote. I'm not sure, thought just black to bring out the black, maybe, don't know. Again, I just wanted like another black bag to wear with this, or have the strap on it still, like this bag. So then just kind of small, light. So I was thinking kind of like this. I don't know. I think I like the other bag better. Or maybe even like my small Lady Dior, because that's in black. I think I want like a black bag if I was to wear this. High in the front a little bit, comes like right above my knee, but then like in the back it gets a little longer. And I hate that the sleeve keeps falling down. So yeah, this one might have to go back. Unless I want to get it tailored, and I'm like, oh, I don't know if I want to do all that. You let me know what you think. Is she a keeper? I like it, but then again, I'm like on the fence. I don't know. I like the vibrant color. But the collar doesn't give me like what the other one was giving me. Like it's just, either it's a shorter collar or something, like you can still pop it, but I don't know, the other one was like giving me more life. This one is like, it's trying to do its best. It can only do what it can do. This is the second dress. This is all the dresses that I have from this company, or this brand, I should say, from the OULA company brand. Yeah. All right, so that is the end of this video. Again, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think, and then just, yeah, thank you for supporting. Make sure to please like this video. You know, when I see that engagement, that you're liking the video, it gives me just more motivation to know to put out more videos. You know, sometimes you kind of lose that momentum of like, is anyone really watching what I'm doing? But yeah, when I get the likes, it definitely does help. It makes me just, gives me that extra motivation. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed and become part of the Fab family. And again, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop a video. I drop a video every week. Until next time, I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.